everyone, it's Robin. Today I made Gochujang caramel cookies. Not only are they delicious, but they're a lot of fun to eat, and I'll show you how to make them. Gochujang, unsalted butter, and dark brown sugar go together in a small bowl. Give that a good mix. Use muscovado sugar if you have it. More unsalted butter, sugar, and an egg, vanilla extract go together in a large bowl and give that a good beating. In another bowl, take all-purpose flour, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. Mix that together, then add the flour mixture to the dough, and do that slowly so you don't flip the flour all over the place. Refrigerate that for at least 15 minutes or until you're ready to make your cookies. Now you don't want to mix the gochujang into the dough. So what you do is you just make dollops on the top of the dough. You want ribbons of heat and gochujang to flow throughout your cookie. So what I do is I take my spatula and I press down as if I'm cutting it. I'm going to make like a T shape here, or a capital I. And then take the tip of the spatula to the center of the dough and make a little circle, and then take the spatula and scoop the outer edges of the dough and fold over to the center. And that's just enough to mix it, but not over mix it. Because I have a medium cookie scoop to make normal size cookies. When I first made this, I made giant cookies. I didn't like that. So the cookie scoop does the extra step of mixing that you need. And then roll it in the Snickerdoodle cinnamon sugar mix. Wonderful. And I'm gonna make 3 without the Snickerdoodle topping, just to give you an example of what both kinds look like. And they're wonderful. So I'm going to put that in my preheated oven, and then while they're baking, I'm going to get the second batch ready and put that in the refrigerator. So these cookies flatten out quite a bit, and that's what they look like. This is an example of the ribbon of gochujang flowing throughout the cookie, and it tastes great. That's one without the cinnamon sugar on top. So cinnamon sugar on top looks great, and the regular kind looks great, but I love the cinnamon sugar. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. This is James T. We got him on New Year's Day. He's getting so big. Have a great day, everyone.